How to fix cannot verify server identity error on your iPhone. If you are also facing such type of issue, then first workaround is tap on settings, tap on general, and here scroll down and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset again and choose reset network settings. Unlock your iPhone with passcode or face ID and choose reset network settings. Sometimes resetting network setting may resolve such type of server identity error on your iPhone. The next workaround to fix this issue is again tap on settings, tap on general and tap on software update and find if any update available. Simply download and install on your system. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, tap on settings, scroll down and tap on mail, tap on account, and if you find any email added, simply remove it from here and again sign in with different mail, and your error will definitely resolved. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. That's all.